Aster Protocol is a decentralized infrastructure project built primarily on the Clayton blockchain, with a multi-chain vision. Its main goal is to solve a key problem in the Web3 space: how to securely and verifiably link real-world data and documents to blockchain transactions. Think of it as a decentralized notary and verification service for the digital world. 1. How it works. Aster creates a proof of existence and a proof of integrity for any digital data by generating a unique hash. When you upload a file, Aster generates a unique cryptographic fingerprint hash of that file. Storing the hash on-chain, this hash is permanently and immutably stored on the blockchain, like Clayton. The original file itself is not stored on-chain for efficiency. Creating verifiable proof, anyone can later verify the authenticity of the file by generating its hash again and comparing it to the one stored on the blockchain. If they match, the file is proven to be identical and unaltered since it was registered. 2. Aster Coin, AST. AST is the native utility token of the Aster Protocol ecosystem. It's the fuel that powers all operations and incentives within the network. Primary use cases of AST Token. Gas fees, used to pay for transaction fees when using Aster's services, e.g., registering data, verifying proofs. Governance, AST holders can participate in the governance of the protocol by voting on proposals that dictate its future development and parameters. Staking and rewards, users can stake their AST tokens to help secure the network and earn rewards in return. Payments, serves as a medium of exchange within the Aster ecosystem, including its DEX. 3. Aster DEX, decentralized exchange. The Aster DEX is a core application built on top of the Aster protocol. It's a decentralized exchange where users can swap cryptocurrencies in a non-custodial manner, meaning they retain control of their funds. Key features of the Aster DEX. Multi-chain, while initially focused on Clayton, its architecture allows for multi-chain operations, enabling trading across different blockchains. Liquidity pools, it operates on an automated market maker (AMM) model, where users, liquidity providers, can deposit pairs of tokens into pools to facilitate trading and earn fees. Integrated with Aster's core tech, the unique aspect is its potential integration with Aster's data verification. For example, it could be used to verify the legitimacy of project documents or token information before listing, adding a layer of security and trust. AST Token utility. The AST token is used for fees, governance of the DEX, and potentially for liquidity mining rewards. 4. Conclusion. Aster is more than just a DEX or a coin. It's an ambitious project aiming to build a verifiable data layer for Web3, with its DEX being one of the first major use cases for its technology and its AST token.